Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Javier will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
Thank you, Javier, for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Gold prices climbed over 1% on Friday, closing in on its all-time high hit in October, as a weakening dollar in US President Donald Trump's push for lower rates and tariff uncertainty drove the metal towards its fourth straight weekly rise. The Federal Reserve's first meeting of 2025 in the coming week stands to test the resurgence of US stocks as investors gauge the extent of more equity-friendly interest rate cuts in the months ahead. Stocks swooned after the Fed's last meeting in December, when the central bank downgraded its forecast for rate cuts. Wall Street banks are getting ready to sell up to $3 billion of debt holdings in X, the social media platform controlled by Elon Musk. Morgan Stanley bankers have contacted investors ahead of a planned sale next week, as banks expect to get 90 to 95% on the dollar.
Thank you, Javier. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 13:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 6 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.